everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Rongjia Stainless Steel Company. It is specialized in development research of stainless steel products.
It's a comprehensive manufacturing company integrating steel production, trade, processing, logistics, and distribution.
Now we are in the manufacturing workshop.
The company have modern processing workshop, advanced and complete processing equipment, can be wire drawing, film mirror embossing red, flower punching, bending, cutting circle, technology processing according to the customer demand.
Now we can see this is our stainless steel levering process.
It utilizes a heavy gauge cut to less line with industry-leading precision levering. Combined with our expensive coil inventory, this equipment enables stainless to reduce delivery times, even for special lengths, while providing our customers with improved faultlessness and quality. This is one of our laser cutting machines. It's mainly used for cutting and punching. The main products of Benton Laser include laser groove cutting machines, laser welding machines, laser tube cutting machines, laser automatic product lines. It promotes the ability to provide fully automatic and digital solutions for laser cutting and welding in the 50 to 60 mm plate market and heavy pipe industry.
Here is our stainless steel warehouse.
Let's take a closer look at them. This is our another stainless steel plate house. Now we will notice these are our finished products. Later we will deliver them to the USA. Our company not only provides high-quality steel products and comprehensive service, but also establishes a complete logistics and distribution service system to provide guidance and assistance for problems and difficulties encountered in the development of enterprises. This is our industrial welding process. The worker is pressing the steel plate radiant to a specific angle. Now we can see here is our biggest stainless steel coil warehouse. These are our stainless steel slitting production line. Now we can see the worker is operating the facing machine. Now this is the process of stainless steel embossed plate. According to customer demand, mirror or matte, powder coating or rod, it is proceeded by embossing stainless steel plates with machinery so that made dozens of patterns available. With respect to advantages, embossed plates have novel patterns and good ornament effect, and they are good looking, durable, and wear resistant. The workers are bending the plates with the machine.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.